are stuck on the Mobile Bay into some traffic. What do you think, Rud? You like Alabama? Then we got to the USS Alabama Museum. Rafa's favorite planes were here. He was in his glory for sure.
Today I'm under the belly of a B-52. It is pretty crazy how big, and this thing is huge. Rudder book. What's the? It's just another book. So one of my favorite airplanes right here, F-14 Tomcat D. Can't believe how big it is in real life. Wow. All these planes. F-16, F-15, F-14, F-18, Industrial Ball, SR-71, the Blackbird. Holy moly. This is amazing. You're looking at the underbelly of the SR-71. This was a reconnaissance plane. It was one of the fastest flying planes. I believe it was Mach 3.5 or something like that. Whole thing is titanium. It's amazing. I'm just gonna park it at a gas pump.
Are we excited? We are excited because we are finally getting to Bucees.
Wash away my worries, let my soul be free. Take me to the ocean.
Are you going swimming?
Take me to the sea. Wash away my worries.
Not really.
Let my soul be free.
He's like, nope.
Get all this love we found.
Nope. What happened? Sun's setting over there. Is it cold? I think you're a little wet.
Take me to the sea. Wash away my worries. Let my soul be free. Take me to the ocean. Take me to the sea. Wash away my worries. Let my soul be free.
Alright, we are at the Hideaway. You can see the road right there. Lots and lots of trees, which is awesome. There's the little community center. We got all kinds of games in here. And swings. The laundry room is right over there by that Coke machine, and the bathhouse is straight ahead. There's a cornhole, a community fire pit, and all these cute little bistro lights. And we're gonna head down to the beach now. There's the office. And you can see some of the sites are a little squeezed in. There's the office, it's really cute. Kitty, kitty! Aw. And you can see the beach is straight ahead. Quick walk.
Tank top, love handles, tube socks, Jesus sandals, cheap blender, ice bucket, raw oysters, yeah, give me one and shuck it. Holds up a frozen orange daiquiri and laughs. Here's to the boys at the factory, yeah. No more building transmissions. He's going deep sea fishing. Catch a marlin, catch a tan, catch a local cover band. Hey, you gotta watch that man. He'll go coastal on you.
Here is upstairs.
Silver hair, silver Buick. Winter's coming, better move it. Southbound before they get snowed under. Call the kids, tell them see you next summer.
At Florabama, stop number 2. This is nice. Right, Red? You like it? This place looks fun. I would take this one over the original Florabama, but that's just me. Airstream. What do you think, Rudder? Rudder, Rudder.
What do y'all say after I'm done singing? We just take a little getaway, cruising down the A1A.
Thank you.
Florabama to the Keys, better keep your eye on me. I'll go coastal on you. I'll go coastal on you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'll go coastal on you.
You suck. The Emerald Coast is a real thing.